we're going to Dubai Mall. First time ng mga kids sumakay ng bus. So, mararanasan na nilang mag-Dubai Mall. Dati pangarap lang namin na makasama sila. This time, eto na yon. Sa mamaya, tingnan natin reaction nila pag nakasakay na sila sa metro station. Pag nandoon na sila sa metro station pala, tsaka pag nakasakay na sila sa train. Let's see kung anong reaction ni Gavin. Gavin, say hi. Hi! Si Kuya, oh. Daddy! Isa na kaming ganap na magulang, tapos na ang pagiging magjowa. Okay, entrance na kami ng Dubai Mall. First time ma-experience ni Gabi ng mahabang lakaran. Pero hindi, gustong-gusto niya kasi walkalator. Si Kuya, oh. Dati nakikita lang nila to sa, sa YouTube.
Pagod na ako, guys.
Ngayon, experience na nila. Kasi Gabi, no? Walk, entrance, Dubai Mall.
Mostly mga buildings dito, hotel talaga.
Karamihan, offices building, hotels. Yes.
Uy, vocalator again.
Vocalator again. Sabi ni Gavin, uy, vocalator again. Let's go, bilisan natin. Make it fast. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, another vocalator for Gavin Haley. Okay. Oh, ayan na pala, Kuya. Finish line, Gavin. Entering Dubai Mall. Yay, sumakses na si Gavin. We're here. Gavin, wanna take a picture? Come on.
Ay, black out.
Ikaw bahala dyan, ha?
Wait.
Hindi ba yan ang laki sa braso niya?
Hindi, isa-check na. Wala kayong ano ngayon?
Ang laki ng braso niya, Daddy.
Ay, may bawas pa? Lit lang ka na. Wow, wala.
Oh. Can I see? Can you show Mommy? Wow! Wow! Can I see? Wow! Oh! Wow! Oh, wait lang, ah. Ay, cute din yan. Oh.
Yan po, mas maliit.
Oh, you check.
May tayaw?
Alika dito, come here. Wait lang, Mimi. Ano nila yan, isa-set nila yan, anak.
Sa oras po.
Sigurado kayo na-order yung black pa, oh. Yan, ganyan.
Yes, de.
Ano ba yung clearance? Ay, asan yung sa'yo?
Hindi niya sinuot yung G-Shock niya.
Ganyan daw ba yung sa'yo? Color blue ha?
Color blue yung loob. O you choose a different color, anak. Para hindi kayo pareho ni Kuya.
Dito yung...
Okay, kakain muna sila. Food court. Oh, ayan na. Parang itong yaw-yaw dyan. Yogurtland. Okay, food court. Gavin, what's wrong with you? What did you buy, Gavin? What's that?
Rolex.
What Rolex? Rolex daw yung binili niya.
This is Rolex.
So, kakain muna kami kasi lagpasan na kami ng lunchtime. We're going to look for a place to eat. Gavin, what did you order? We ordered from Panda Chinese. Ayan. Ayan si Kuya. Oh.
Ito.
Is it good, Kuya? What's that?
Broccoli beef.
Beef broccoli and
Kalimutan ko siya. Basta spicy.
chili beef. Chili beef. Yes. Yes. Is it good? Yay!
As long as may kanin.
As long as may kanin. How about Gavin? We have chicken. We have beef also.
Spicy.
Yes, Gavin likes
Spicy.
spicy food. So, kakain muna po kami.
Bye-bye. Mag-crafting po ako.
We are going to see Dubai Aquarium. Yay! Makikita na ni Gavin ang the largest indoor aquarium. Are you excited, Gab?
No.
No. No, pero kayo na pa siya nag-aya. Ayan na, ayan na. Bakit parang hindi pa rin ito, Daddy?
Dito tayo.
Oh, another one daw, another one. Sa pinaka-ground pala yun eh. Eto na, Gab.
Hello. Oh.
Ayan na, makikita na ni Gavin. Ayan na, ang largest aquarium. Okay, oh, go Gab.
Ay, ano yung nagsara? Hindi pala
Candy. Gavin, lapit kayo, lapit. Go. It's okay. Oh,
Sila nakakapasok? May entrance siya na.
may entrance sila, may entrance fee. Gavin, here.
Doon na yun. Dito.
Gavin, come on.
Ikaw dali, dito.
Dali ba naman?
Oh.
Maganda.
Parang gusto ko pumasok.
Sila nag-aaway. Hindi naman yung mga fighting. Parang anak ko.
Ano sabi mo, anak, talakito?
Parang sa bawon niya.
Parang gusto ko pumasok. May
No.
skydiver oh.
Yes! Asus.
May skydiver.
Come on, move here. May dadaan, oh, may stingray. Laki ng stingray. O, mamaya may dadaan na siya. Yun, oh, yun yung shark. Yes. O, Gavin, move here.
There's a standpoint. Adi Perno.
O, here, oh, Gav.
Pasok na sa mga. Uy!
O, dali. Gavin! Matakot siya, no? Nakakatakot, no? Oo, tinan mo. Parang totoong tao. Magkano nag-range dito, Dad?
At yung pinakamura.
1,000 dirham. Ito ang ganda nito. Oh, this one is...
What is it?
Oh, don't touch Gavin.
1,000
Ito ang ganda nito.
dirham.
How much again?
1,010 dirham.
1,010 dirham. Dubai exclusive. Ah, dati ito sa Dubai lang to.
Starting siya ng 1,150.
Doon na nakupis ko, anak. Let's go, let's go.
Huh? Ano to?
The Apple Store.
Bibili na ako guys po.
Huh?
Ay.
In your dreams. In your dreams. Daddy dito. Okay. Gavin. Oh. What did you do? Enough na. It's okay, they will fix it.
Ang penyo mo ba siya? Sa kabila pwede. Pero
Sorry. Where's Kuya? Oh, wow!
Under construction to that.
Yes, under construction.
tubig yan anak eh. Ayun yung ano, natin yung
And then, ayun dati.
Yes, under construction ng dancing fountain for 6 months. So, nag-close sila ng April 19 and they will reopen maybe by October. So, wala silang dancing fountain. So, wala ring water. Tinanggal ang tubig. 'Di ba? Man-made na man-made. So, titingnan nila yung Burj Khalifa.
Wow.
Burj Khalifa, Gavin. Wow.
Oh my God.
It's so tall. So tall, Gav.
sa memory sila.
Never mind.
We're approaching Dubai Waterfall.
Oh my. Yeah.
Yung reaction ni Gavin.
Oh, it's
Dubai Waterfall, Dubai Mall. Oh, sige, go, Gab. Yes. Come, doon, dali. Gavin, here. Oh, Daddy will take a picture.
Parang electric.
Gavin, what can you say? Is it nice? Yeah.
Napapasana ulit na lang.
Meron din ako ganyan, hintayin nyo.
Bakit ako?
Papalang tayo mo ha. Minsan ha.
Hello.
We're going home na.
We are in Wokolator, my favorite.
We're going home na. Sobrang late na. Thank you for joining us for today's video. Gavin, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Mami Costa Vlogs. See you again next time. Always remember, life is
Beautiful.
Bye, everyone.